Okay, I haven't posted in a while, so I'm gonna post. I'm gonna do a locker tour. Okay, so this one, I don't really like it. I don't. I just bought the pack because it. I just bought it because of this. The back bling to this, and I just did challenges for this by accident. I really didn't do the challenges. And I somehow got the skin. This one I used to wear, but I don't like it. This one I was dumb enough to buy it. I I I wear this skin sometimes. Okay, I hate this skin. I hate this one. I people like this skin, but I literally do not like it. This one's one of my Twitch. This one's he's okay. I don't really okay. I used to wear the Midas, but now I rocks. It's pretty cool. Okay, no, that's one trash. That was one trash. Okay, so I just bought this one because of the back bling. Okay, so and I bought it because of this back bling too. Okay, so I did the challenges because I thought it would look cool, but it really doesn't. Okay, I like the girl, the angel version. Trash. I guess it's okay. Okay, this one, Thick Boy is fire. Thick Boy is the best. Okay, I actually pretty like that skin. This one's pretty trash. Actually, no, it's actually pretty good. Um, I hate this one. I hate this one. And this one, I actually really like it. I don't know why. I hate it. I actually really like this and this, but I despise Iconic. I just don't like it. Okay, so this one was free. I thought this would be cool because of the event, but I ended up never wearing it and never wore it to an event. Don't really like it. Okay, I actually kind of like this skin. I like Capili. I don't like this skin. I don't like this skin. I don't like this. I don't like this. I actually used to like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. Yeah, this one's one of my Twitch skins. And yeah, Summer Drift. I used to wear it. I just got this because of Battle Pass. And Tantina. Okay, Twitch. This one was just $5, so I got it. X-Lord. This one, I thought it looked cool. But okay, so this one, I actually really like this skin, but now I really don't wear it. Okay, so this one's, I guess, okay. Okay, this one's, I actually really like it. This one's I like really. I don't really wear fishy. I don't wear Iris. I don't wear. Okay. I used to wear Maven. I used to wear a softer skin. I used to wear Recon Expert. I used to wear. I used to wear this. Okay. I wish I never bought this. I'm not. Okay, so I used to wear it. I used to wear this. I don't like it. I actually kind of like. I actually like it. I like this. I actually really like this. Okay, so I like this, but I don't wear it that much. Okay, I hate this skin. I actually don't like it. Okay, so the crystal gets too much love. It just gets too much. So I don't really like it. I don't like this. Okay, so I wear this sometimes. I don't like this. I really don't like this. Okay, I like the knockoffs. I like this. I like this, and I like this. It's pretty cool. And let me show you a really rare email. I think search for picture. This one's a really rare email. It's called Jitterbugs. It's actually really rare. Like no one bought it. Like almost no one bought it. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe.